Thank you for coming to our website. This is Carolina Appliance Service, LLC. I'm Robert Pefferly. I'm owner and president of the company. I've been in business since 1993. What we do is repair all major brands of appliances. We do LG and Samsung warranty. The gentleman will try to help them also fix it over the phone if they can help them before they go out, to give them helpful hints so they can repair it by themselves without going out, trying to save the consumer money. We also tell people over the phone, we give them one price so they know, and then it's just plus parts. We're unique, nobody else does that in Charlotte. Mostly we call ahead of time. The technicians will call early in the morning. They give them a 2-hour window, and then they call right before they come so they don't have to wait home all day.